Hi everybody, it's Jane from Living Skies Vintage. It's a no makeup day and I'm doing some cleaning. And one of the things I'm cleaning is some silver plate that I purchased recently. And I thought you might like to see how I do it. So come on downstairs to the kitchen and let's clean. So here it is. I'm going to take this really tarnished silver plate tray. It's a pretty nice tray that I got. Pretty big. It's about maybe 18 inches across diameter. And I'm going to see if I can detarnish it. So let's try. Hold on. I'll show you what I got going. So in here is just my kitchen sink. I've got some tin foil sitting in the bottom and baking soda. Just plain old baking soda. I have my kettle going because I want hot water. This is hot water out of the tap, but I would prefer a little boiling water. And then we'll dip this and we'll see what happens. Just give me 1 second. Let's get the kettle over here. We'll put this in there. And you can see the difference between it and the tin foil. And I'm going to put a little bit more baking soda on the top. And then boiling water. Let's see. I might need to add more baking soda. It's pretty tarnished. Let's give it a... You can see the baking soda is like bubbling. That's what we want because it's attacking the tarnish. So, and it's something about the tin foil too. So you can see. We'll just leave it for a little bit. So you can see I've left it sit for a while and quite a bit of the tarnish has come off, like the middle part here, but here you can see like this, still have a little water on it. And all I'm going to do is just take the tin foil that I had and kind of rub it on that spot there and see how that yellow is kind of disappearing. So I'm just going to use the tin foil because it is I'm sure it's the aluminum in the tin foil that's reacting with the tarnish and actually having it go. But you see I got a little bit of work around here, but you can see how just a little, it doesn't take much and you can actually take it right off. So let me finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So there it is. Didn't take off all the tarnish. I just wanted it to be more silver than black, but you can see it did a really good job shining it up. You could probably tell more from the back exactly how much black actually did come off just with that simple trick. Now that the majority of it is off, keeping it this way will be a lot easier. But thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. It's Jane from Living Skies Vintage, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.